Okay, so this is a video about the interior dome lights. So changing the interior dome lights to be LED lights on the 2004 Mercedes E500 W211 chassis. And this is just a comparison of the original lights, the one on this left side. These are the incandescent bulb lights, and these are the LED lights, the bright white lights. These are the dome lights, and basically I am trying two different brands. The one that I'm trying on the left here, this is a new brand, AUXITO, and the one on the right is the original bulbs of the car. And basically you have to remove this whole assembly. There are many videos on how to do that, and so you can access the back panel over here. And once you access the back panel, you can essentially change the bulbs. The entire socket comes out, it unscrews, and basically these are push-in bulbs, so you can pull out the old bulb and push in the new one and then screw back in this socket. There are several wires here in the back panel, so you got to be careful. These are ribbon cables, so they're delicate. You want to make sure you don't break any of those. And basically the two brands I want to try, the one that is already on is the AUXITO. This comes in two variants. There's a 6-pack of the one that they suggest you use for the dome lights, and then there's another one which is a 4-pack, which is a 12 volt to 24 volt 4-pack. So for the dome lights, they suggest using this 6-packs, all the interior lights, and for the parking lights they suggest using one of these 4-packs, which is a 12 volt to 24 volt. However, in some videos online, they say for the parking lights to also use one of these 6-packs. But anyway, I'm gonna try them and see which one works. So these are the AUXITOs, and the one I'm going to try next are these ZIYO. There's a full 24 pack, 24 piece interior full LED change pack. It comes with the instruction manual. Well, that's the Mercedes. It says Mercedes-Benz E-Class W211 24 piece. ZIYO lighting is the brand, and this specific one is a type P. It's supposed to, that the instructions say that you're supposed to use. These are the instructions. They have a nice diagram that shows where which interior light goes, and the model number is for this pack is ZPL5211. So in this video I have the AUXITO on the left and the other regular original Mercedes ones on the right. Next I'm going to try the AUXITO on the left and replace these with the ZIYO to compare the two and see which one is better and brighter. So I'll make another video for that comparison. Alright, and that's the internal assembly. Basically, to remove this, by the way, these are the bulbs. This is the original bulb, and this is the ZIYO bulb which I'm about to now use. This one, this is the original one. This gets really hot, I noticed. So I'm gonna now remove the other ones. Just basically have to unscrew it, and then you remove it, and you got to be very careful because this bulb is really hot. And essentially all you have to do is that's the original bulb. It's a Toshiba, or it looks like Toshiba. It's a 12 watt, or it's a 512 something. Anyway, whatever it is, we are gonna now replace this. That's the entire socket that I removed. But the bulb itself, it should just be a matter of you got to be really careful because this bulb is really hot. So you just have to pull it out. Just like this bulb, it's got two connectors, and the LED one also has two connectors. So I'll replace these now. Just have to pull it out. It's hard to do with one hand. So I'm gonna place this down there. Removed it. That's what the socket looks like from inside. This is the bulb I removed. Twelve volt 5W X and 3X. And now I'm gonna replace it with this ZIYO lighting LED bulb, and then it's just a matter of plugging it in. There, it clicks in. I've plugged it in, and now it's just a matter of screwing it back in. It's the brand is Hella is the socket, and I'm gonna now plug this back in. Got to be very careful with the wires. I'm gonna connect this and then continue the video. Okay, and I connected it again, and that's the comparison of the ZIYO on the right and the AUXITO on the left. They both seem to be similar. The brightness seems to be similar, so they both seem to work pretty well. So I guess yeah, so I'd probably use one of these. You also get these bulbs in other colors, like you get blue, but I just think white is probably going to be the best looking. Blue would look kind of weird, So I think I'll stick with bright white, and I'll choose one of these bulbs to replace the incandescent. There are also these dome map reading lights below the rear view mirror, which when you turn on this button you can see them. um, I'm going to replace these two, uh, basically. So I'll have all sets of matching lights or LED, and that should be good for a new fresh look on the car, the interior of the car. And then there are these dome lights in the back on the passenger side, which I'm also going to change.